We are standing on the sandy banks of the Missouri River.
Missouri River!
Gorgeous trail here that runs right along the Missouri River up in Parkville, Missouri. And hey, we're gonna take you along on our walk along the Missouri River. Let's go. Well, there's the trail, but we're walking in the sand. That is a fishing spot right there. Can I go down there where you take my picture?
Mm-hmm. Why is there a pineapple down there?
Seeing as how I have grown up literally in like the shadow of the Missouri River, I should probably know a whole lot more about the Missouri River than I actually can remember right now. So, cue voiceover. Okay, here are some facts I should have known about the Missouri River. It is the longest river in North America, and the most common river fish in Missouri is the blue catfish. Bull sharks that live in the Gulf of Mexico have been caught in the Mississippi River, but not in the Missouri River. And they have been found as far north as Illinois, which is kind of creepy, kind of scary. But I guess you're not going to find them in our Missouri River. The river flows through Kansas City, Missouri, and then meanders eastward across west central Missouri, and then heads southward to Jefferson City, and then it heads east and it joins up with the Mississippi River in St. Louis. And there we go. Some facts you never knew about the Missouri River. Or some facts you probably already knew that I couldn't rattle off to you at the time.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
What is that? I don't know much about the obviously the river. I wonder if that's to tell the boats something on the water. Or maybe I'm just making things up. I don't know. It is just gorgeous. Little creek beside me now. We've crossed over, veered away from the river. I think it's gonna maybe take us back that way. Anyway, perfect temperature, gorgeous outside. Thanks for coming along with us. This is so much fun. Alright, so the bridge is right over there, and the river is right in front of me. So, yeah, let's get up there and see what, I've made fun of myself about this before. Let's go see what we can see. So let's go see what we can see up here. We'll go over the bridge in a little bit. There's a park bench up there. Let's see what that is. Ooh, there's a couple. This must be the best viewing spots. Ah, there's some people out there on a fishing boat on the river. Oh, so very fun. Here, let me show you what I'm looking at. They're ways out there, so it's hard to see, but here is the river. Check out these signs, see what they have to say. Let's see. Here we go. Look at this. Petite River Platte. On June 30th, 1804, the men of the Corps of Discovery began their journey at daylight. They traveled about 10 miles, passing what is now Parkville, before camping at the foot of Diamond Island. Clark wrote about the area in his journal. this is us. It's just a perfect spring day. It is so like gorgeous. Perfect weather. I have no idea what the temperature is, but it's perfect. It's the perfect day. April 16th, because it's not too hot and it's not too cold. All you need is a light jacket. Just kidding. Name that movie. What is that movie from? I mean, what is that quote from that? What quote is that movie? What movie is that quote from? We'll look over here at the creek. Another great bridge to play poo sticks on. But on this side, oops, sorry guys. Look at this giant eagle statue. Carved out of a tree trunk. That's pretty cool. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.